Biography of Peter the Apostle. He was also known as Simon Peter. His father was Jonah, according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 42. Spouse. He was unmarried. Read Matthew chapter 8 verse 14. His brother was Andrew. That is according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 40. School. Peripatetic Seminary of Jesus Christ. First mentioned in Matthew chapter 4 verse 18. Final mention in the 2 Peter chapter 1 verse 1. Meaning of his name. Simon means hearing. Peter means rock, that is in Greek. Cephas means rock, Aramaic. Frequency of his name is referred to 183 times. 9 books, that is St. Matthew, St. Mark, St. Luke, St. John, Acts of Apostles, 1 Corinthians, Galatians, 1 Peter, as well as 2 Peter. Occupation. Fisherman, apostle, as well as a pope. Place of birth. Bethsaida in Galilee. That's according to the book of John chapter 1 verse 44. Place of death. Tradition says that he died in Rome. He was crucified at the foot of the Vatican Hill. Patronage. He is a patron saint of bakers, butchers, clock makers, clubbers, harvesters. Papacy. Peter named Peter Shoemaker and longevity. Publication. 2 New Testament books, that is 1 Peter and 2 Peter. Important facts about his life. He was one of the chief apostles, first pope, and therefore the first bishop of Rome. Circumstance of his death. Tradition says that he suffered martyrdom, a head-down crucifixion, by choice not to imitate his master, under the Emperor Nero about year 64. I'm MC Tamasha Kaka. May God bless you. Thank you.